Bookmarking websites is so 2020. Instead of saving links in your browser where they get lost, share them directly into GiftHintz. That way you'll actually remember your favorite finds. Pin it in GiftHintz, attach it to a wishlist item, or save it as inspo. The app opens right up and lets you add images and products you love to your favorite collections. Everything stays organized exactly how you want it. It works just as seamlessly from Instagram. Open up any post you love, tap share, and send it to GiftHintz. Forward it into GiftHintz and choose exactly how you want to save it, as a personal pin, a wishlist item, or shared inspiration. Pick the images you want to keep. Add the price, jot down a quick note. Mark it as a must-have and move on. The same flow works from TikTok too. Forward any TikTok find to GiftHintz and save it your way, as a pin, a wishlist gift, or fresh inspo. Build dedicated inspo collections and themed pin boards. GiftHintz keeps everything organized so you can find it later. Visit my Hintz to see all your pins gathered in one beautiful view. All your saved items live together in one clean, browsable hub. Come back anytime to revisit your favorite finds. No digging through browser history, no hunting across apps. It's everything you loved right where you left it. So much better than old-school bookmarks. Start sharing into GiftHintz today and never lose track of a great find again. GiftHintz, give the gifts they love, get the gifts you want.